Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today, we are going to continue our chapter number 3 more on Windows 10. But before that, let's recall the things that we did learn in our previous video. In our previous video, we did learn about operating system, Windows operating system, Windows desktop, and File Explorer. Today, we are going to learn more about Windows operating system. So, let's start Windows operating system.
Working
folders.
with folders. You have
You have
already
learned about
learned
folders
about
in your previous
folders
class.
in
As you
your
already know,
previous
folder is a
class.
collection of
Let's
files.
learn
Now
more
let's learn more
about
about
them.
them.
A
Folder is a collection
is
of
a collection of
We can
files.
store files and
A
subfolders
subfolder
in folder.
is a
Subfolder
folder within
Subfolder
a
is a
folder.
folder within a folder.
Follow
this
these
step
steps
to create
a folder.
So let's see. Now,
One.
step number 1.
Right
click
click
anywhere
on the
your
blank
desktop.
area
Right-click
of the desktop.
on the blank area of your desktop.
2.
Now, the option will appear.
Select
Now
the
select
new
new
option from the list.
A list having options
and
new list will appear. Now,
3.
step number 3.
Click on the
folder
option.
You have to click
A
on
new
the
folder
folder.
will be
A new folder will be
created
created
on
on
the
the
desktop
desktop with the default
with
name
the
new
default
folder.
a new
name.
folder
means
with
whenever
click
you
of
create
the
it,
mouse
the name
button.
will be
We
there.
can do variety
Now,
of tasks
how to
only
open
by clicking
file
on
or
the
folder.
options.
So let's learn
So it
how
is
to
called
open
easy
a
user
file or
interface.
On a
folder.
Windows run
folder
on
to
any
Double-click
open
hardware
it.
you install
File
it
A
or
to
folder
window
and also
showing
recognizes
list
the most of the
of
hardware
showing
you
the
plug in.
list
will
of
Means you can
appear.
use any
will
hardware
appear.
by just
We
plugging
can
with it.
also
We can
You
also
only
open
need
file
to
and
purchase
folder
Windows installation
right-clicking
disk
on
once.
it.
them. So when you
Because
select a
it
folder,
has
A
all
right click on the
short
them.
menu
required
will
The list
appear.
will
drives
appear.
software.
From that
Click
list,
Windows
you
on
have
uses
to click the
WYSI,
open
option
As soon as you click on
which
the open
means
option,
what you
the
see
folder will
is
open. What you will
renaming
get.
the
a
files inside.
file
It is a
of
Now
feature
let's
of
folder.
learn
Windows.
how to rename
This suggests
a file or
that
folder.
whatever
Rename.
appears on the
Renaming means
monitor,
change the
the same
name
will be
of
on the
existing file or folder.
printout.
Renaming means
Existing
It is a
file
features of
of
Windows.
folder.
Windows provide
folder.
graphical user
Follow
interface.
these
How to
The
change the
steps
graphics
name
are
of the
used
file
to
folder?
rename
communicate
a
with
file
So we
computer.
have to
For
follow
example,
the
when
steps
we click
to
on the close
rename
button,
the file and
that
folder.
time
Right
we are telling
click
computer
Step
to
number
close
1.
program.
Right click on
Windows
the
is a
file or
multi
folder
to be
operating
renamed.
multi-user
You have to do
operating
right
system
Two.
and
List
has
will
a
appear.
number of
Now
built-in
select the
programs like
rename
calculator,
option from the
page,
shortcut
and
from
note
the
page.
This list is
shortcut
called
Multi-user
shortcut
means
menu.
multiple
So you have to
users
choose
can
rename
Three.
option.
So let's
Type
start.
Step
a
number
new
3.
It is
Type
a
name
starting
a
window.
name
in
in the highlighted area.
Please switch on a
You can see
computer.
the name
The
will
operating
and
highlighted
system
with
is
blue
press
loaded
color.
into
the
Now you
computer
have to type the
memory.
name and you
The
have to press
file
enter.
or folder
Now as you
will
can
be
see the file or
renamed.
folder will be
Once the
renamed.
process is
Copying
completed,
and
change.
moving
Now
a
let's
initial
learn
file
copying
or
and moving
folder.
a file or
appears
folder.
is called desktop. When
Copying
you start a
means
computer,
creating a
this colorful
duplicate
screen
copy
is appear.
create a
This screen is
duplicate
called
By
desktop.
dragging it
Here
from
at the
original
bottom we are
folder
having start
Copying
button.
means creating
The
a
start button is the
deleting
most
it
common.
from the
So we can create copy.
original
It is the most
location.
used
Using
button
the
on the
dragging
Windows
Moving
desktop.
means
original
Because
location.
when we click on the
transfer
start
Moving
button,
means in a
it
simple
will
from
display
word
the
we can
major
say
original
options
we are changing
along
the
with the
location
live
to a
tiles.
of
new
On the right
location.
side, the
Means we are
boxes,
taking it from
the
original
square and
place and
rectangle boxes, they are
Follow
called
these
new
tiles.
steps
This
that is
to
called
copy and
Now
This
follow
move
the
PC
steps
display the
file
content
or
of
copying and
folder.
computer hard disk.
1.
So
here we
step
have
Right
one.
click on
Right
the
click
local
on
disk
the
C,
file
file
to
local
be
disk D,
copied.
CD
जो
and
भी फाइल आपको
DVD,
कॉपी
To
करनी है,
CD
you have
and
to press
DVD
right
or
click
select
on
any
the copy
other
now select the
external
option
copy
storage
option
from
media
the
from the
such as
shortcut
pen drive is
menu.
also
select copy
displayed
option.
inside
Now
Three.
step number
this
3.
PC.
Click on
It is
the
used for finding,
location
organizing,
where
Want to
the
copy the
moving
file
and
file or
copying files
folder
and
जब
is
folders
जो
to
फाइल
be
कॉपी
in
करनी है वहाँ पे
copied.
जाना है.
computer.
Again there
Go.
It is like
you
a
have to
cupboard.
press the
We are
Right
storing our
click
clothes in
on
cupboard.
the
Same way we
empty
store our data in
area
hard
of
disk.
the
Back button.
location.
It
Then step
use
number
sorry,
five.
it takes
You have
us
to
the
click the
previous
on the
option from the
paste
shortcut window.
option.
As
forward
soon as you click
button.
on the paste
After
option,
using
folder
back
Deleting
button,
a
copy.
you
file
can
let's
use
learn
or
forward
how to
button
delete
folder.
to move back to the
File or
current
Follow
open
these steps
window.
to
want any file
delete
It is
a
like a
file
Next
or
and previous
folder.
up
file you
button.
can
Up button.
delete.
One.
It takes
select the
one
file.
step
Right
up in
click
the
step
folder.
on the
one, select any
file
file,
or
right
It
click
takes
on
us
folder
one step
that
file or
has
folder that
to
you want
be
to
ribbon.
deleted.
select that file.
It contains
Step number two,
commands
right click on
arranged in the
Select
form
shortcut
of
menu will
delete
appear.
tabs and
Now
from
you
groups.
have
the
to select the
shortcut
delete option
menu.
from the
Commands.
shortcut menu.
The
Address
selected
bar.
select
It
the
file
display
delete
the
or
option.
path of
folder
As we are
selected
is
clicking
file and
deleted
folder.
Copy
and
option
Path
the same way
means
you have to
it
select
display
the
the
delete option.
address of
Now
the
recycle
particular
bin.
file
will
and
be moved to
folder.
the
We
recycle.
can
here we
also
having search
delete
box.
the file
helps to
or
search
Whatever file
the
we are
files,
deleted, it is
by
folders in the
clicking
current
on it
we
folder.
can also
and
delete the
then
file
Helps
and
to
folder
search file
pressing
and
clicking
the
folder.
delete
Now let's
key.
learn about File
keyboard.
Explorer.
We will learn
File Explorer is
some
used to
more things
manage
in this
files
chapter in our
and
next
folders.
video. Thank you, students.
It is used to manage files and